You want to land premium clients, there are things you need to learn how to do. One of them is learning how to do mock-ups on Canva. Come, let me show you.
First, let us gather the building blocks for our masterpiece. I make a checklist of every image that I want to download, and then I go into Pinterest and then I start using the specific keyword of what I want to download. In this case, I wanted to download a not ivory napkin, and that was what I typed in, and different images popped up, and I downloaded the one that suits my design best, or that will suit my design best, as you would see. So I did that, and that was the same process I used for downloading all the images that I used in creating this mock-up. I downloaded everything from Pinterest. So Pinterest is one app that you have to have readily available to work with. Now I get the exact image that I want, and I move on to the next thing, which you would see now, removing the background of these images. So yes, let's move on to the next item. Now, watch how we take those images I downloaded to the next level by effortlessly removing backgrounds using Remove BG. Remove BG, you can just type in Remove BG in your web app, and it will pop up and you follow the process. It's a game changer in creating clean images to work with. So by clean images, I mean images that do not have any background. Once I click on the image after I must have said Remove BG, I then save right into my gallery. So that's what I did for the entire process here. So now we would start designing our mock-up. Follow me, right? The next thing I do is I go into Canva. If you do not have Canva, you have to download Canva, and then I type in flyer size. So this would help me in creating my table. So the flyer size will serve as like the table, right? And then the next thing I would do is I went into Element and I searched for black sequin or blue sequin, as the case may be, right, to use as my table cover. That popped up, and then I just arranged properly to fit, right, the table size. And then I go back into upload in Canva and I upload all the images that I will be using for the mockup. Now remember that I cleaned them in BG. So they get all uploaded into Canva here, and then we start designing. So my table is ready. I drag in the charger plate and I align to fit perfectly. The next thing, I bring in the spoon, right, and I go into the options here, as you can see, and I click on position and I click on advanced, and then I rotate. So I just type in 90 degrees because I already know the exact rotation that I want, and then it flips. Now I don't want it to face to the right, I want it to face left. So I flip vertical, and then I have my perfect positioning. Follow this same process for every other thing. Drag, position, align, right, until I got the perfect fit and I completed my mock-up. So I brought in the fork, I brought in the knife, I adjusted, aligned, in Canva until I was satisfied. I did the same for the menu card, as you will see. So guys, this is one thing that we teach extensively, right, in our paid class. And the next class starts on the 19th of October. Registration closes on the 18th of October. So use the link, right, to secure your spot, and let's get started. There is a how to plan events. There is a how to work with clients to give them the best. This is just 1% of the 100% that you'll be taught. in class. So thank you so very much for joining me on this creative journey today. And I can't wait to see you in class, ready to impress and inspire. Right? And here I'll say happy event planning, cheers to making more money. So guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial. As you can see, we're still aligning and adjusting stuff. Just keep watching. It's a very easy process to adapt and work with. So yes, see you guys in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.